everybody, today we're gonna make this beautiful rose. So let's start. Now first of all we need 3 squares of any size you want, but you have to cut a square and in whatever color you like. Now I have taken 3 different colors. Now we have to fold them like this. Like this. Then you have to fold it again like this. Like this. And now we have to fold it again. Like this. Now I'm gonna do the same to all of these. Now I have folded all the squares into triangles. Now I'm gonna draw a pattern over here and cut it over. Like this. And you can draw with a point too, like this. Like this. And I'm going to do it to all 3 triangles. Like this. And now I'm going to cut it off from here. Now I have cut all the triangles like this. Now we're gonna cut just a little bit from the corner here. Like this. And when you open it, it will look like this. Make it a tiny hole over here. And now I'm gonna do the same to all of the sides. Now I cut off the nibs of all of the flowers. Now I'm gonna cut a petal from here. You can see here a line and here a line. I'm gonna cut it from there. Like this. And then I'm going to cut 2 petals from here. And 3 from here. Like this. And I want my flower to get more colorful, so I'm going to take more computer papers. Now first of all I'm going to take a light pink for this, and I'm going to take the yellow part like this. I'm going to draw the shape of it. Like this. I have drawn the shape of this petal. I'm going to cut it off like this. Now I have cut the shape of this one petal. Now I'm going to take blue one and cut these 3 petals. First I'm going to draw it from here and then I'm gonna cut it off, and then I'm gonna use this light green paper, and then I'm gonna draw these 2 petals on it and cut it off. Now I have cut the different color petals. Now I'm gonna put these away, and I'm gonna use these ones. Okay, now we need to round it like this. Like this, and put glue over here and paste this one like this. And before you do this, you have to make a little curve on the petals. You can do with a pencil or a pen. I'm gonna do with the pencil like this. I'm gonna roll all the petals like this. And you can roll the petals like this. One like this, and the other one like this. Whichever style of the petals you like, you can make it. But I said this one petal style is much better than this one. And now I have curved all the petals. Now I'm gonna paste it. First of all, we're gonna use the one petal and fold it like this, as I told you before. And I'm gonna paste it glue. And we'll stick it like this. And I'm gonna then do the 2 petals like this. Like this, I'm going to do 3 petals. Like this. Right here. I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to do the 4 petals like this. And then to the 5th, and do the same to the 5th. I mean 6th. Now I'm gonna paste them like this. First I'm gonna take the one petal. Now I'm gonna put glue here, and then I'm gonna paste it into the green one. So let's paste glue on it. You have to put glue on its nib. Like this. And then paste it into the two petal. Like this. And then you have to paste this green one into the blue one. Like this. And now I'm gonna paste this one into the four petal. Like this. And then you have to put the red one outside the orange one like this. And then you have to put the yellow one on the red. Like this. So now I'm going to paste this yellow and the red one. Now I have stick my flower together. Now I'm going to make it stem. And now for the stem we're going to need a long paper like this. And now we're going to roll it from the corner to that one corner. Like this. Like this, and I have pasted glue over here, and then I'm going to roll it from here like this. Now our stem is done. I'm going to paste it right over here like this. Now my flower stem is stitched together. Now I'm going to make the leaf over here and here. Cut two leaves like this shape, and then draw a line between it like this. See? And then now I'm going to paste it on the flower like this. Now I have pasted glue just on the down area of the leaf. Now I'm going to paste it like this. Do it like, and then fold it from the top a little bit. Make it like that. And look, now flower is done. So see you at the next episode, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Bye.